Guys, we're gonna be opening the Sprout Seed pack. We have 22 packs, and we're just gonna see what it gets. So let's go. Okay, we got a Flare Daisy for a first. Another Flare Daisy. Oh, we got a Poseidon plant. Let's go. Flare Daisy. Mangosteen. Oh, Flare Daisy. Yes, guys, we have 22 packs. So don't get, we're just going to let this one sit. Maybe if we get good luck. Dresspuff. Oh. I've opened about 70 packs now. Still has not got the Glamroot. I've opened so many packs by now. I mean, not the Glamroot. What's it called? I don't know what it's called because I haven't. Oh no, and we're out of packs, guys. So, anyways, peace and like and subscribe if you want this thing. It is huge, I know.